This is the Sony CFM-140 radio cassette-corder from 1989. We have two bands, FM and AM. We have our cassette compartment. We have what looks like maybe a 2.5 inch, I'll call it a woofer over here, and a piezoelectric tweeter. Around top we have our antenna, a carrying handle with Sony on it, a monaural earphone jack, cassette controls, pause, stop, eject, fast forward, rewind, play, and record. And we have a condenser mic right here, our function selector, radio off if you're on cassette, FM, AM. Here's our volume control and our tuning dial for the radio. And did I mention we have an antenna, FM antenna? Around back we have some details. Made in Malaysia. I guess that's 1989. We have an AC cord jack, battery compartment for 4 C cells, 6 volts DC on this unit. Looking through the scratchy plastic on the cassette door, you can see our recording head. And back here, a permanent erase magnet. Okay, moving the selector switch from the tape to the radio. You'll notice our little power light came on, which also doubles, I guess, as a low battery indicator.
After having it's totally free. Download the Next Radio app today. 2018. The only thing worse than a little thump.
A chance to win Garth Brooks tickets for his show at Notre Dame October 20th. Oh, nice.
Come see how we do it. Way to help.
Yeah. Aubrey, God bless you. Thank you so much for
I mean, he's just the guy that comes in and...
what it has to do, because it comes out. Hey, my intuition never lies.
Keystone at the Crossing.
The best part of a Thomas's English muffin is topping it.
Rhino.
That's right, it's model year clearance.
And a Nintendo were working on a disc. So people, because the ER was so backed up, it was helpful to have a free clinic for more.
Love Chevys in all of Indiana.
Hubler has it all at 5 Hubler Chevy locations. Let my family help yours find you.
Alright, switching to AM.
And with a Medicare contract, enrollment in Mutual of Omaha Care
It's probably
Advantage depends on
WLW in
contract
Cincinnati.
renewal.
telling us about stress and how important it is to ensure that you've got the proper...
Truly meaningful, or define your own version of success. As a senior, what would you like to get accomplished here in your final go-round as a Boilermaker?
No gain. He seems to be moving in the pocket and looking to run early.
Always have the potential, but now say something's going on in the gut.
¿Piensas que lo has visto todo? ¿Piensas que no te puedes?
and my Latino station at the top of the AM dial. So AM and FM work. Alright, let's test the cassette recording abilities. We'll start off with the condenser mic using a standard Maxell UR Type 1 60-minute cassette. Alright, I'm testing the Sony CFM-140. We've checked out the AM/FM radio. They seem to work fine. Now we're going to check out the condenser microphone and a cassette recording and see if it has anywhere any near decent recording and playback abilities. Automatic stop. I like it. CFM-140. We've checked out the AM/FM radio. They seem to work fine. Now we're going to check out the condenser microphone and a cassette recording and see if it has anywhere any near decent recording and playback abilities. Okay, well, what can I say? It's a condenser microphone recording. Not great, but not terrible either. Alright, let's try recording off the radio. What's on the radio? Try and remember that. Don't want to leave it on too long because of copyright, of course. I'll get maybe 15 seconds or so here. Go in and play it back, and hopefully we should be safe. Rewind. Put that back to tape recorder and play. Okay, well, not too bad, monaural, but shows the system's working probably as good as a 1989 cassette recorder could be expected to. Let's try a pre-recorded tape. Bring out the trusty Walker's tape.
Stress and high blood pressure are the price we pay for the lifestyle we enjoy today. Isn't it refreshing to know that what you're doing right now is fighting back against these enemies of good health?
Pause. Fast forward.
You are almost at the 30-minute mark. Keep it up. A part of your life. Hill walking to maximize your calorie burn.
Is that a horse? cassette recorder seems to work okay. I didn't notice any serious wow and flutter or problems. Once again, for a 1989 unit, that's something to talk about. So, this has been the 1989 Sony CFM-140 AM/FM radio and cassette recorder. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.